So today I will be installing this half wig that was provided to me by hergivenhair. This is their 20-inch coily 3C4A texture. Now, this is actually the first time that I am installing a half wig, so y'all, please bear with me. I am starting on freshly washed hair that is semi-stretched. So before doing anything, what I did was section my hair off into three sections. So I have a back portion of hair and then I section off two smaller pieces of hair in the front. The back section of my hair I cornrowed into chunky braids. Before braiding, I applied my Bellarmine moisturizing cream before braiding. Now this helped my hair to be moisturized and soft under the half wig. For those of you who are not able to cornrow your hair, then flat twisting is another option. Now, cornrows will last a bit longer than flat twists. Once you are done flat twisting or cornrowing your hair, then you want to secure the ends with bobby pins or hairpins. This is how the back portion of my hair looks after I got done cornrowing. So I just pin the ends of my hair just to ensure that my entire head is protected. I am just spraying a leave-in conditioner by Bellarmine along with Bellarmine's hair oil. Now Bellarmine is a Bahamian owned company here in the Bahamas. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. Now it's time for the front part. This is actually the section of hair that will be covering the half wig. So you want to ensure that it is well moisturized and that your curls are defined. So before doing anything, I am just spraying my hair with water and just defining my curls a bit. To define my curls, I use, like I said, water along with my hair foam. I use the hair foam from the Do. So I am just putting the half wig onto my head, ensuring that the clips are going under my braids in the front portion and in the back portion of my hair. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. So here I am just ensuring all of the hair comb that was provided on the hair is going under my cornrows. So one thing I could say about this half wig is the fact that it is very easy to blend, very convenient. You could actually put it on in minutes. It's a great protective style and it blends perfectly with my hair. This half wig also came with a drawstring for extra security. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh. After securing the half wig on my head, I then went and drenched the half wig with water. So the key to getting the perfect blend with your natural hair and the half wig is water. After drenching the hair in water, I then went in the back portion of my hair, detangled, and I started to define my curls. So in order for me to define my curls, I detangled, applied my dew setting foam, and then I twisted my hair up into chunky twists. This is how my hair looks all twisted up. The curls are popping, my hair is shining. Now it's time to unravel these twists. I kept these twists in for one day. I applied my hair oil on my fingers just to ensure that I do not have any excessive frizz when unraveling the chunky twists. I unraveled the twist from the back portion of my hair and then I worked my way up. Y'all, I was so excited to see how the style turned out. And so far, I must say I am absolutely loving the blend with the half wig and my natural hair. So if you are interested in purchasing this half wig, then you need to click the link in my bio that will take you directly to the hair. And also you can use my coupon code, which is TKBAHA.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
At this point, I was basically just doing the final touches with my hair, y'all. I was definitely feeling myself. I was just making sure that none of the tracks in the back was showing, but overall, I would give this half wig a 10 out of 10. If you have the same texture that I do, then you should definitely consider purchasing this hair. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please guys, watch my videos to the very end. But let me ask you guys, what is a style without doing your edges?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
So after a minute of me just priming up in the camera, y'all, this is the final look. Like I said, I would definitely give this half wig a 10 out of 10. The blend was perfect. The shine was a 10 out of 10. So if you're interested in purchasing this half wig, again, click the link in my bio and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.